Line it up, slide it on there, back into position. All right, listen, in an effort to put together your overlanding setup or more of a permanent camping deal, you know, you want to keep stuff in the truck ready to go. I got a bunch of stuff under my seat, probably as much as I need, but then I throw my fridge in there, and now I can't get to anything under the seat. I got my dog set up in the back now. I can't get under there anymore. So looking for a little more storage, looked into what's called a swing case, I guess, even though it's a brand. And like the idea of those, but looked into, there's some knockoffs, and there's no ratings on them. And you can't Google them because they change the name of the product every couple of weeks because it's like a weird knockoff, you know. So I came across one that was being sold by Amazon, shipped by Amazon. So I figured I'll roll the dice on it. The one I got this time, SCITOO Ski 2. It's a $139 unit. When you look at the lead-in brand, $219 right now. So last week when I bought these cases, these were $239, I think. So the price comes up and down a little bit, but still about $100 off of these. Now I don't have one of these swing cases to compare this thing to. I honestly think, and Swing Case could send me a case to compare it to prove me wrong, I guess. I honestly think these come off the same assembly line. If you look at them in the pictures, they look very close. The problem I was having with ordering some of these other ones was there was no reviews. There was no anything on it. So I took the chance, and let's take a look at one that came. All right, so this is the unit right here as it comes. It's got a little carbon fiber on the side. I actually got the combination locks. I just have enough keys with bike locks and the rack locks and campers and things like that. So this just spins up, swivels open, pretty big inside, a little tray in here, extra pocket that's up top here for plenty of stuff. Comes with all the assembly brackets. Down here in the bottom is a nice rubber pad for protection. Should look like from the inside. How much room it's taken up. Fairly slim. Just below the level of the Alright, so I'm sure you've seen it all before. You pull the clutch, you lift it up, that piece comes off. So the way this is set up as far as installation is, this top screw right here is actually a drilled hole already, and then there are little brackets that go up against the edge of the truck right in there that line, make sure it lines up to be flat right in that spot. So there's no real leveling, measuring. Put a couple of self-tapping screws into a couple of the other holes that are available. This is adjustable. You lift that up and down. I put it into the bottom setting and screwed it in, and it works just fine. If you needed a little extra cargo space, it's pulled out. Once you're ready to throw it back in, line it up, slide it on there, back into position. What I got going on inside of here is pump. Full-size pump fits in here. Oops. Accessories. I imagine you probably could drill a hole up top. There's actually a metal plate right here, but you could drill a hole up top if you wanted to route your hose straight out. Hey, listen, if you're still watching at this point, I appreciate y'all.